Comparison: Iran versus Israel military assets. We are going to compare war components between Iran and Israel. Active military. Reserve forces. Paramilitary or IRGC. Main battle tanks. Armored vehicles, IFV or APC. Self-propelled artillery. Towed artillery. MLRS, rocket artillery. Total aircraft. Fighters, 4th and 5th Gen. Attack aircraft. Bombers. Transport aircraft. Helicopters, attackers. Helicopters for transport. UAVs, combat or recon. Total warships. Aircraft carriers. Destroyers. Frigates. Submarines, total. Nuclear submarines, SSBN or SSN. Corvettes or patrol ships. Ballistic missiles. Cruise missiles. Hypersonic missiles. Anti-ship missiles, ASHM. Nuclear warheads, estimated. ICBMs. Tactical nukes. Military satellites. Cyber warfare units. Annual defense spending. Percentage of GDP. Key military allies. Combat drones. Elite units. EW systems. Fixed wing carrier OPS. Amphibious ships. SAM systems. Thank you for watching full video. Please subscribe now for more videos.